Namaste, welcome you all in NIOS video class. Today we are going to start a new subject, that is political science. The short sign of political science is P and science. It's for senior secondary level. The subject code of political science is 317. Now, let's begin with lesson 1. The name of the lesson is Meaning and Scope of Political Science. Let me give you all a brief background about political science. In 10th class, you have studied maths, different things or different subjects such as economics, accounts, Hindi, history, etc. And after that, you have planned according to your interest what you're gonna study. How economy goes up and down and the different aspect of society is related to political science. Political science is related to different political parties and the different rules and regulation, responsibilities and duties of the citizen of a state. Let's begin with part 1. Difficult words. The first word is government. In short, we write it as GOVT. In many places you have seen there are government offices and these offices have their own work and responsibilities. States. You all have seen the map of India. In map of India, you have seen many states such as Kerala, Tamil Nadu, etc. Justice. Justice means equal or equality. Next is emergence. Emergence is how the thing has started. That is called emergence. Parliament. In Parliament, there are different kinds of ministers and different persons of different power sit together and discuss various things such as right to be made, policies to be made, and they do all the meetings in front of each other. There is a discussion between the policy or the rule that is making or undergoing. If it approved in Parliament, then it will be gone further, and after the approval, it will followed by the people. Democracy. Democracy is defined as the freedom of living in your own legal / laws. Rules and regulations are made by legal officers or the government, and the law is followed by each one of us. Constitution. There are different constitutions. In different states or in different countries. Every country follow their own constitution. Constitution is a rule book which has all the rules and regulation which has to be followed by the citizen of any country. Citizens. Judiciary. Judiciary is related to law or legal matters. Welfare means for the sake of society, people or any other thing. Civil rights. There are different rights in our country, such as right to speak and speech, etc. Liberty. Liberty means freedom. Freedom of anything is termed as liberty. Equality. We do not discriminate anyone on the basis of their sexuality or their caste or their gender. We always has to be shown equality between all the people and citizen of a country. Discrimination. Discrimination means discrimination between the people on the basis of their looks, color, caste, height and sexuality. For example, there are two persons, one person is handicapped and the other person is a normal person, but in an interview, a handicapped person do exceptionally well, but the another person hasn't performed very well, but he has chosen for the interview. That is called discrimination. Secular. Secular means a person who believe in all religion equally. That is called a secular person. Secular is the one who do not discriminate between the persons on the basis of their religion. Vigilance. In search of or in observation. For example, we put cameras in our home, and so we can vigilate, or we can do vigilance in the locality or in the shop or in our homes, so that we can protect us from anything wrong. That is called vigilance. Merit means successfully clearing any exam, job, etc. But the other person has been chooses on the basis of his color. That is called discrimination. Merit is the person who successfully passed the examination. Handicap. A person who has inability to perform something such as regular walking or mental IQ is termed as handicap. Income. In the span of 1 year, what we earned monthly, that is called the income. Political parties. There are different political parties in several places or in each state. You all know the meaning of laid down means taking rest, but there is another meaning of the same word in the respective of law. Territorial means land, your own land. That is called territorial. Thank you. Namaste.